Hi guys, let's see the sound. I'm outside and I'm gonna show you my car, guys. Here we are, and this is my car. You can see on my second video that I posted on this channel, and it had this car, and here it is. Look at it, guys. So guys, you can sit in the car with me. And see, I'm gonna drive. Okay, guys.
All right, go on, car.
How I'm gonna drive. Okay, guys, ready? Let's go! From the car, here's my hat, and we're in our backyard. Here's the saddle, here's our tires. Yeah, going fast. This is second speed. Here's my baby brother. So guys, tell me, do you like it or not? Tell me in the comments below.
Yes.
Let's go. Let's keep on driving. We're gonna take a short trip and then we're gonna go back to the garage and I'll show you guys my other stuff I have, like my bike and his bike. So guys, look, we're right here and I'm gonna zoom it, and there's, you see those feet? That's my grandma. That's where we're gonna go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!